This is my YouTube channel, Dr. Brahma CV Exposition. In this channel, I am making the video number 200. So, in this video, I want to speak on belief system source of conflict. This is more concerned with the human evolution and especially evolution of human brain and his beliefs. So, the topic is belief system source of conflict. During evolution of the human being, his brain also evolved, and during this evolution of the brain, the human being started developing certain beliefs, certain faiths, certain thoughts. So this led to the conflict in the human beings, among the human beings. Believing, of course, is something which can be trusted on seeing. So seeing is believing. And during the time of evolution, say hunter-gatherers to begin with, they used to hunt for their food in the odd situation and in very disastrous natural conditions, heavy rain, heavy thundering, heavy lightning. During that time, they used to get the food, hunt for the food, and when they get food, they used to preserve this food for several days in their caves where they used to live. So while acquiring the weaponry, the weapon systems, the instruments which they have used in hunting were also made in course of time. This is also due to the evolution of the human brain and advancement of the intellectual capacity, caliber. So while seeking the shelter, while procuring the food and land, the human beings used to fight with each other. Sometimes they used to enter into small wars. In the early civilization, this kind of conflict arose, and this conflict led to the formation of different groups, and which migrated into different parts of the world, which transformed into different ethnic groups by evolution and metamorphosis of their features, the transformation of the facial features, body structure, and habits, etc. What happened? Depending on the climate of the land where they used to live after migrating, they developed into different ethnic groups, different body structures, different facial structures. That means different ethnic groups have formed. And when these groups come into at one point, or when they used to meet by somehow, by virtue of seeking food or by virtue of seeking land or shelter, they used to fight. That means this is the conflict arose among the minds of the human beings. The conflict not only physically ended up with a fight, but mentally, emotionally also the conflict was there among the human groups, that is ethnic groups. And very profound belief they had about the natural supremacy, because very odd and disastrous conditions they used to face. Sometimes they used to find it very difficult to survive. So in that frustrated conditions, hopeless conditions, they had to believe in something, maybe some power of the nature. They call it as creator of this nature. Of course, later that the same concept developed into supernatural God or supernatural power. Of course, later now we find it as God in various cultural groups. That's how the belief system in the supernatural power started growing in the minds of the human beings. This belief system associated with the creator or supernatural power led to various cultural groups, civilizations, and later they have established their own faith. Each category or each group of ethnic groups have developed, established their own unique faith. We call it as religion today. So different religions were formed, established in the globe. So throughout the world, many religions have come. Many faiths have developed. Many belief systems have been established. Now, in the way they used to believe in supernatural power, that is creator or what we call today as God, also different from one ethnic group to the other. That means the way they used to worship such creator, the way they used to believe in such creator, the way they used to form a particular imagine or visualize the creator in the objective way, that is in the form of statue or in the form of a stone or in the form of some animal or a tree or some form of natural form, physical form they used to establish, that led to the conflict between various religious groups regarding the shape of the creator, form of the creator. That's how different religious groups have developed a conflict about the philosophy of religion, faith, and culture and civilization. So, the supremacy of God was well established among all ethnic groups, irrespective of their location on this globe. Of course, the various religious or ethnic groups with this unique belief, faith, religion used to fight for their survival, for land, shelter, food, water source, and many other requirements. So, which led to undesirable conflict between these groups, say wars. Small wars grew up into big wars, in which many people killed in course of time. Many world wars were witnessed. Many wars were witnessed among the ethnic groups. But at last, people could survive in all these odd situations, and now, of course, such faiths are well established. Cultural conflict is well established, the civilizational diversity is well established, ethnic diversity is well established, and now of course we can believe that the belief system which led to the conflict among the various groups, ethnic groups in this globe, is the basic concept, that is, belief is the fundamental, is instrumental for the development of conflict. This is the essence of this video topic, belief system source of conflict. Dear viewers, if you appreciate my video, the content of this video, kindly subscribe, share and comment. Thank you very much, dear viewers.